Hello, this is Yogendra Singh, a physics teacher. I'm going to discuss marking a scheme of class 12th CBSE board. We all are following NCRT curriculum, and we know that NCRT is very helpful for the children, those who are preparing for different competitive exam, even for IAS, PCS, everything apart from that IIT, JEE and CBSE. So here we go. Let's start with the 12th curriculum. Later on we'll discuss for class 11th. So class 12th physics theory. The 12th syllabus divides into two parts, theory part and practical part. Theory part contains 70 marks. So how that 70 divides, let us see. From NCRT book, if we go unit 1 and unit 2, that is electrostatics and electricity, that is from chapter 1 to chapter 2 in NCRT, that will score for 16 marks, and we are probably complete that in 42 periods. That will take 42 periods to complete these units, you can say. The second unit, third unit and fourth unit, that carries magnetic effect of current, magnetism, EMI and AC alternating current. That carries 17 marks in your board exam in NCRT from chapter 4 to chapter 7, and it will take 42 periods to complete. Similarly, unit 5 and 6, that is from NCRT chapter 8 to chapter 10, it covers EM waves, electromagnetic waves, ray optics and wave optics. That carries 18 marks in 31 periods. Next, unit 7 and 8 from NCRT, it is chapter 11 to chapter 13, that covers 12 marks in 23 periods. And the next unit 9, that is NCRT chapter 14, this is semiconductor devices. That carries 7 marks and it has to complete in 12 periods. In total, in 150 period, we are covering 70 marks. So if we look this unit, that is EM waves and ray optics and wave optics, that covers maximum marks in least period. So I think from this 12th syllabus, this unit is very important. We have to cover this unit first, and children have to practice more on this unit. Now come to the practical. Practical carries 30 marks, 2 experiment, 8 marks each, 16 marks, 6 marks for practical record, 3 marks for project and 5 marks for Viva. Viva is based on the project. So this is all about the marking scheme for class 12th CBSE. Thank you so much.